Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar benefited from somewhat a weaker US dollar on Friday. It was triggered by a gloomier core CPI reading out of the US. Upon the release, the CPI came in at 0.5%, up from 4.4% from last month, but missing expectations of 0.6. The Australian dollar shot from 78.12 to a high of 78.96, taking out the resistance at 78.45.55. Now, it is my view that the market will soon turn back to a bearish outlook, and with short positions added from the break of 78.45.55, now looks to an immediate target of 78.30 to 35. My bearish outlook is holding, or will hold, while 79.15.25 is intact. I'll be placing my stop above there, and overall, as I mentioned, I'm looking for the downside move to eventually take on the challenge towards the low 77 region and reassess from there. The euro dollar is pretty much unchanged from Friday, although we did see a short spike to the upside, but still contained by that 118.90 resistance. The US dollar did shrug off the CPI figure and turns back towards the upside and briefly contests the 93 handle. Now, it's viewed that further weakness is seen for the euro, and I'll be looking for a move down towards 117.90 and lower down towards 117.5. Any advances still looks to sell in towards 118.45 to 118.90. Well, the dollar yen case reaches its target on Friday of 111.60 after printing a low of 67. Overall, I am now long and looking for a rise up towards 112.60 to 113.25.30. Keeping my stop tight underneath 111.60 just in case this level does give way, as the next target comes in at 110.95. But I still believe that the market is now assessed a base and looks for a further recovery into today's session. Well, the pound, after briefly stabbing towards the downside, now looks towards a target of 133.40. This could extend further to 134.10.15 and reassess from there. Any dips on the day should find a base now seen at 132.30.35. Well, the gold surged on Friday, taking out the level of 1,301 and now exposes the next target of 05 to 13. It is viewed that the market will remain bullish purely for the fact that the geopolitical risks still are heightening. So therefore, dips are likely to be shallow, with a base now seen at 1,289 to 91. And to wrap up with oil, the market reaches its target of $51.90.95, and now just this morning just broken above there. So therefore, I expect to see further rises up towards 52.40 and up towards a potential target of $53 a barrel. Reassess from there. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a great start to the new week.